So as you can see, fake AI influencers trending right now and blowing internet. If you've been following the trend of fake social media influencers like Imam Graham and Mila Sophia, you know there's a buzz around creating AI influencers. Many creators are now focused on this intriguing concept. Today, we are going to show you how you can create your own AI influencer. But wait, before we jump into the tutorial, I've got something special for you. I've discovered an amazing AI tool that can be your best assistant on your AI influencer creation journey, and the most exciting part is that it's 100% free. Go to Google and search for Fooocus Colab and click on first link. Say hello to Fooocus. Here, click on connection and wait for connected to server. Now click on play button. It uses the Stable Diffusion's Juggernaut model, which we can call the Stable Diffusion and Midjourney combo. Whether you have a highly configured PC with a GPU or not, I'll show you how to use it on Google Colab for free. Last step to open prompt page, where you can type your prompt is click on link, running on public URL. It will open a new tab where you can type your prompt. Now, let's take a look at the Focus tool interface. At the top, we have the preview panel showcasing the generated images. In the prompt box, we enter our desired character details. But the real magic happens when we click on the Advance checkbox, revealing some fantastic settings on the right. From aspect ratio to the number of images, and even a negative prompt option where you can specify what you don't want in your image. The possibilities are endless. And with over 200 styles available, you can truly customize your AI influencer's look. In the Model tab, you can choose the base model, refine model, and more. While running it on Google Colab, we didn't insert any checkpoint, but you have the flexibility to do so if you have a custom model in mind. Alright, let's dive into the fun part. I'll enter a prompt, something like, beautiful lady sitting on chair, big smile, brown eyes, black hair, hyper-detail photography, soft light portrait, realistic. Now, hit the generate button and watch the magic happen. It will take some time, maybe 30 seconds to 1.5 minutes on average to produce each image. You can try to speed up the process by using a turbo model, adjusting the LoRa weights, or using Google Colab, which provides free computing resources, including GPUs and TPUs. Look at these incredible images Focus generated for us. But what if you want to use a specific face or ensure consistent character? That's where the input image option comes in. You can upload your model images, choose a face, and even use the face swap feature to get the perfect result. It's like having your own AI model at your fingertips. Look at this incredible image Focus generated for us. But wait, there's more. You can even add or draw elements to your images. Let's say I want to change eye color or add necklace. Just use the In-Paint or Out-Paint tab, draw the area, and voila! You've customized your AI influencer even further. And there you have it. Creating consistent character images for your AI influencers has never been easier. Our next video, we will show you how to create video using same model face weight for upcoming video. What are your thoughts on this incredible tool? Share your experiences and results in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!